With so many products on the market, picking out the perfect one will be challenging. So we have chosen the 6 best products out there to make it easier for you. Check out the description for more information and its latest pricing. If you're a die-hard cord cutter, opt for the Aquasonic Aqua Flosser. It earned high marks from users with its lightweight design, which is dentist recommended for kids and teens. The reservoir only holds 150 milliliters of water, which provided 45 seconds of flossing, so it may not be perfect if you like to take your time. Still, it delivers a thorough clean. The box includes a travel case and 4 jet tips, and the waterproof body protects the rechargeable lithium-ion battery so you can floss in the shower. The Aquasonic has 4 simple nozzles and is cordless. It only has 3 modes, normal, soft, and pulse, that all feel intense. Removing the nozzle from the top of the flosser is also hard, and the reservoir only holds 5 ounces of water. Where some more affordable flossers provide only the bare necessities, this one features 5 pressure settings, from low to super high, and include a 6-tip, 2-jet tip, an orthodontic tip, a tongue cleaner, a periodontal tip, and a toothbrush tip. We found that the H2O floss was rather intuitive and simple to figure out, even without a clear set of step-by-step instructions. It has a clean and practical design. This flosser is also effective at cleaning the teeth. It stores a good amount of water, especially for a portable unit. Still, we did struggle to find the right intensity. The higher setting were a bit too strong and splashes excessive water everywhere. All in all, this is a budget-friendly pick that would be great for beginners. It doesn't include many extraneous pieces or accessories, but the variety you get in terms of pressure settings and nozzle choices elevates this affordable option beyond other less expensive competitors. This best-selling Waterpik flosser provides 10 different settings, has been approved by the American Dental Association, and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Suppose you've got braces or other dental work that makes it tricky to floss in the traditional way. In that case, the Aquarius delivers water pressure up to 100 psi from a 22-ounce reservoir, all powered by a simple plug-in cord. The reservoir can go in your dishwasher, and it has a variety of useful tips for tasks like brushing and tackling hard-to-reach areas. The tank holds 22 ounces of water, which the brand promises is enough for 90 seconds of flossing activities. The cord that connects the flosser wand to the base is short, so you'll want to position it close to your sink basin to avoid drips and splashback. At the end of our testing, we crowned the Aquarius best overall because it's effective and easy to use and doesn't take up much counter space. One of the favorite cordless options is the MySmile. It's the only flosser with a digital readout that shows the temperature of the water, battery charge, and mode options. You don't really need this feature, but it feels high-end. The settings are a bit annoying. You press start to turn it on and then choose your settings, which include strong, soft, normal, pulse, and child, and hit start again to put the flosser into action. But once you start flossing, you can't pause the 2-minute session. Instead, you'll have to turn it all off and start all over again with choosing your settings. The MySmile has a larger profile than the Waterpik cordless. The reservoir holds almost 12 ounces of water. The battery charge also lasts for more than 2 weeks, which is nice for travel, but overall, the water streams on the MySmile are less comfortable than those in the Waterpik cordless. My gums bled. It also needs to be ADA accepted. The TUREWELL water flosser includes 3 jet nozzles and 5 issue-specific nozzles. But more importantly, we found that the flosser head itself was quite small enough to access hard-to-reach areas, which means you can utilize all those fancy nozzle heads in every part of your mouth, maximizing your oral health routine. The various nozzles require some fiddling as you change them out, so it's not as straightforward to use as some of the other picks, like the Waterpik Aquarius. Meanwhile, the unit's pressure setting are a standout we like, that it only features an on-off button and a pressure setting dial, which made it easy and intuitive to operate. We also really appreciate that the pressure dial was able to zero in on precise pressure setting most other wet flossers were unable to. This makes the TUREWELL suitable for people with sensitive teeth and gums. who might otherwise find the standard pressure setting of a flosser too intense for their liking. Suppose you're looking for a more affordable alternative to a pricey water flosser, and it's quite nice to clean, that's gentle enough for sensitive teeth and gums. In that case, the TUREWELL has the right settings and nozzles to meet your needs. The Bitvae Water Dental Flosser is the perfect tool for anyone looking for an easy and effective way to clean their teeth and improve their oral hygiene. This cordless water flosser is designed to remove plaque and debris from between teeth and below the gum line, leaving your teeth and gums feeling clean and healthy. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, this water flosser is safe to use in the shower or bath, and its 3 different modes allow you to customize your flossing experience based on your specific needs. The 6 included jet tips allow for easy sharing with family members or replacement over time. This water flosser is rechargeable via USB. A single charge provides up to 2 weeks of use. Its portable and compact design makes it easy to take with you on the go, so you can maintain your oral hygiene wherever you are. The Bitvae Water Dental Flosser also features a large capacity water tank, allowing you to floss for up to 120 seconds without needing to refill. Its ergonomic handle and easy use control makes it a breeze, and it includes a user manual that provides detailed instructions for optimal use. As such, the Bitvae Water Dental Flosser is a convenient and effective tool for improving your oral hygiene and keeping the teeth and gums healthy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.